Enormous discipline had to be maintained. That's 27 foot-pounds of torque. I'll get it this one. Oh my god, that went in my eye. You shouldn't say God. That's better. All for this. And that's it. A clutch line I don't think actually reaches the clutch, but let's find out. Yeah. Fucking engineering mesh. What have you been doing, Steve?
Putting this on.
Putting this on.
Yeah, the Serial 9 dual caliper bad boy. For a 90, but
Looks sick.
But I've got super brakes, as you can see, and this is bigger.
Yeah.
So they gave me a different bracket here, so it actually works for me.
Nice.
It's not. I don't know whether this is a concern or not. The disc is like so whatever.
Yeah, I think they'll take up the slack if there's discrepancy in them anyway, won't they?
Yeah, it's like the disc
If
is
it's not-
lower. If that makes sense. Like the caliper's too out a little bit.
Oh, I see what you mean. What, is it getting full contact on the pad?
Yeah, look here. If you put your finger on this, there's a slight drop on the pad to the disc.
Oh yeah. Yeah. I think it'd be alright. There's worse things on your car. Let's be honest.
And then
On any 90, in
all of
fact.
this is coming off. That's coming off. I need to order a fancy. Well, I don't need it. I should order a fancy boy one of these.
You're gonna go Serial 9 on them?
Yeah, probably.
You're gonna have to, aren't you? If everything else is Serial 9.
Yeah.
Kush D. And we all noticed you've got loads of Minervas. Why?
Because I bought them before they were cool,
Yeah?
so I keep buying them.
Nice.
And this one has a part of the car inside of it and things all around it. It has a red off of a BMW from man like Hayglen,
Hey Glenn door-to-door action.
where you stuck the front bumper, then it snapped my hub,
Oh, that's out of order.
and then welded it for me so I could get home, so I can't do money.
Oh, it's nice.
That's fine, really.
Kush D. And then that subframe's going to
Huxley.
Huxley. And I think we should probably drive that up, don't you?
Yeah.
Instead of palletising it.
Yeah.
Be more fun.
Yeah. And then
More video.
can get him to. Basically, he's going to make a welding brace kit for one of these because no one in the UK really makes one. So hopefully we can make it to be a sellable thing,
Yeah,
and then you can all have them and all.
I'll have one.
And then I'll just get him to do these hard ones because it's there and he's cleverer than me.
Yeah.
More clever.
Kush D.
Then yeah, so, and powder coat it after it's all been welded.
What colour? You're going to go metallic Serial 9 green? Or are you going to go like a contrasting colour?
Kind of want it white, but then if my disc itself like it does, then it gets all so
Yeah,
maybe just black.
maybe.
Yeah, that's that.
Kush D.